sil sa Ramiro kuy sulang agtunin na TMC nga ang Clara Shiro yal ang December 21st, 2022 yay gaigi da mayangal ayes tamno sa amaloto. Magot al mayangal ayes a Palau International Coral Reef Center's outreach team amlo visit rang ayang ersera November. El mo present a program el Morabalu ma elementary school ng Arce. Overall, I'm learning a very fabul ad and attend the tel community session. Tel visit el Morangayang is similar to the visits el Morangayaur Mabililio. El Ngiya highlight PICRIC's commitment to engage the smaller outlying states with its knowledge and research. Research Director Geraldine Rengil amle MC tel event, which directly include 3 presentations from PICRIC staff. Ako tamlo present researcher Danet Olsudong, el ngia milsab PICRIC's ongoing monitoring rangarwang marine reserve ra alselang ayangan. Gelmlo angerung al present outreach and education officer Masasinget de Ley Hideos, el ngia milsab del girela research, outreach, and education efforts surrounding the Palau Marine Sanctuary. Gelmlo mong ongede elmlo present a researcher el Seit Ley el ngiam le present el result a pilot study which looked at how people el kera el selairai saw the benefits and value of Palau Marine Sanctuary. Gelmlo mong last el present a Lazarus Mayar el me presenter sel PICRIC's 2022 Tommy E. Mangasaw Jr.'s Environmental Award for his lifelong commitment to conservation and management of Kayang's precious marine resources. Mataramayang ay sa atangakal President Surang Whips Jr. o matklat kabalu at mo selbes sel new Palau Goods and Services Tax mo effective at January 1st, 2023. Implementation will ensure a fair and equitable tax system. President Surang Whips Jr. said during a recent media briefing that the cost of goods should not increase by 10%, reiterating that the PGST replaces the current import tax and that excessive price increases should be illegal. The PGST, a part of the tax reform, Republic of Palau Public Law 11-11, ablel pastaringi olbira kululaw, ablel signaringi a President Whips ersera September 2021. Business profits tax more replace the sell gross revenue tax for those who register for PGST. Businesses more require el register a PGST al sugum at the mitra following. 1. Al sugum Del Shobay has an average annual taxable supply of more than $300,000. Malsuguma Shobay hold a foreign investment approval certificate even if they are below the registration threshold amount. Malsuguma Shobay fall under the state-owned enterprises such as PPUC, PNCC, Malubong Palau Submarine Cable Corporation. Under Tel PGST, engaring a special rules section that provides for the monitoring of prices. Danga intended mo ensure that there is no unjustified malubong excessive increase ra prices ra alsel Palau during the transition to PGST. Aigal rules apply el mora supply of goods or set up period ra July 1st, 2022 el mo December 1st, 2023. Bureau of Revenue and Taxation Director Elway Igeda, amle noted mo, businesses must be careful to make any price changes taking into account the overall impact of the tax changes. Self-penalty for making a regulated supply for an excessive price is a fine that does not exceed $10,000 for the first breach of this subsection. Madira fine that does not exceed $20,000 for the second and each subsequent breach. For more information, ang sub-omnil visit ra Ministry of Finance Office ra Alsel Orior, malubong sel online site tier at www.palaugov.pw/tax-reform. Malubong sub-omnil lomkodong ra 488-2702. Mataramayang alais, over 400 business owners and individuals amle petition Palau's leadership el sobre el delay or cell implementation ra Palau goods and services tax malubang self-es el tax system. Among the signatures, el blel address el mora President Surang Whips Jr. and Mlaringia Senate President Hocons Paules, Speaker Sabino Anastasio, and some big-time business people down to mid-size and to small business owners. Tal petition akmo, we are writing to express our concern with this law being implemented. At this time, there is a lot of confusion about this new tax scheme. This new tax law implements a drastic change in our tax system. Tigal petitioners sa omtor or talbes sa luula tax that is being implemented when the country is at an all-time low. Etang asabel worsen ay economy Palau. They also say that the consumers are already paying higher prices due to the increase in the prices of goods. A consumer price index del issue ni Ministry of Finance o the prices of goods increased by 4% in domestic items and 13.5% on imported items are set at third quarter al year compared to third quarter last year. Mataramayang alais sara Thursday December 15 mlaringi assess el report on a tugboat belonging to Surang and Sons Company. Our firefighters respond al mortal role at around 10:30 a.m. according to BPS Director Ismail Okun. Talungab amle tomal crew sleeping quarters and mulmutra captain's wheelhouse. The fire was put out at imlaka injury that was reported. Cause of fire under investigation. Mataramayang alais, stara December 20, 2022, a Palau Public Utilities Corporation, Mangarart State Government, enter into a memorandum of understanding, el girela streetlight installation, repair, maintenance. Similar to other states' MOU, PPUC ang mooriol of Mangarart State Government, el mool nga will install and repair streetlights as requested by the state office. On the other hand, ang Mangarart State mo ensure that mo streetlights are cleared from any vegetation that may cause interference. Ang Mangarart State direkal mo conduct physical inventory of all streetlights along with assigned PPUC personnel. Mangarart State will also be built according to the agreed number of streetlights as set forth by the MOU. The MOU are valid for 2 years and may be amended by written agreement between the parties. May gaigi dakuk mayang alay samlo sa amlo top der alsil sa kumpmal musulang. Diklu talom terma mar adra mayang alay sa urang rak malungil kurismas mabeesarak almoragaw matulungal ragaw.